Available now at Titan Machinery of Bismarck. We have the 2005 Case 450 with 1,727 hours. This skid steer has 89 horsepower and a hydrostatic transmission, and is equipped with high-flow hydraulics and a mechanical quick coupler. The lifting arm has a capacity of 2,450 pounds and a tipping load of 4,900 pounds. The tires are standard 12 by 16.5s with 99% tread. The cab features a suspension seat and work lights. If you're interested in this Case 450 and would like to contact the sales staff, give them a call at 701-250-7925. To view other available used equipment, check out bismarck.titanmachinery.com.